Hi everyone, welcome to Start DevOps. My name is Mahabub. So in previous video we have discussed the Linux basic commands as well as some VIM editor commands and their operation. So in this video we are going to discuss VIM editor complete. We will finish the VIM editor today. Then we will discuss some more basic command which is very important as a DevOps engineer. We should know, we should understand. Before we move to the topic, so if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends and join our Star DevOps community and also connect with me on LinkedIn. So let me share my screen. Here friends, so this is our virtual machine which are here we are using CentOS machine. So let's see. First we check what are the files are available in our virtual machine. There is a file called Linux folder RA directory called Linux practices here. We will see it first. Let's move to the directory cd into Linux practices. Yeah, in that we have two directories and two files. Let's move to the DevOps directory. Here we have a file which is our bio file. Let's see what content is available. To see that content, we use cat command, then hit enter. So here, so hi, I'm Abu, founder of Star DevOps. I'm 27 years. I'm living in Bangalore. We will do some more operations with the help of VIM editor. So what are the operations we will see in this video? Let's open that file, VIM, then file name, bio, hit enter. Yeah, we are in VIM editor. So as we discussed, so VIM editor has three modes. Whenever we open that VIM editor, by default, it will open into command mode. So in command mode, we do only some operation, which is we can copy or we can move our cursor. These are all things we cannot read, write in this command mode. So suppose if you want to write or erase data, anything, or if you want to modify anything, we have to insert into the, we have to move into the insert mode. So for that, we have a key called I. Whenever we press I, it will insert into a insert mode. So here you can see there is a bio, the file name. So whenever I press I here, it will go to the insert mode. So this is, we are in insert mode right now. Now let's write something here. If anyone to teach can connect with me. Yeah. We have given this data. So how we are going to save and to move to the another extended mode? We press escape and then colon. For W, we press W for save and Q for quit, then enter. We came out from the VIM editor. Yeah, we will see the operations. Yeah, we are in VIM editor. So we see some operations. So before last video, we have seen the operations. Suppose if we want to move the cursor in top of the line, first line, we press double G. So our cursor has been moved to from last to end. We want to our cursor from end, we will press a capital G here. So our cursor will be moved to the last line. And also some word by word moving for W we have used, and B for backward, forward or backwards, and also undo, redo. These are all things we have seen. So in this video, we are going to see how to copy a line and how to paste it how to delete, and how to search the particular word is available or not in file. Suppose we have a file which has a thousands of lines of code. There you want to find that particular word. It's very hard to find, no? So for that, how we will find? So for Windows, we use find command. There we can search and do it. Here, how we will find? So we have some commands. With the help of that, we can search. These are all things we will see here. Let's move to the topic. Let's learn. First, we will see how to copy line. Here, copy line, we have Y, V, capital V and Y. The line has been copied. To paste that, P. Whenever we press P, it will paste it. See, you can see. Yeah. So for undo, we use U. It will be undo everything. We want to paste, press P, it will paste. Undo. Suppose you want to copy the another line. This line you have to copy. Just simply press capital V, then Y. It has copied. And you want to paste. Just simply press P. It will paste. How we can copy a particular line? With the help of capital V and Y. So we can copy that particular line and we can paste. For pasting, we use P command. It will be paste. Suppose you want to delete any line. Let we delete for last line here. For that, we have a command called D. The line has been deleted. Let's undo. We will try once again. So whenever we press D two times, it will delete. D two times deleted, line will be deleted. To search any word, we use forward slash. Then here right we will write, yeah, whatever the word we are writing, it will be shown here. For searching, we will use forward slash, then the word we want to search. Then we can see the result here. So Mahabub, my name is Mahabub. So I have mentioned here, we have searched Mahabub here. So it will show you here. Yeah, we search start DevOps. Yeah, you can see start DevOps is available. These are all the words. With the help of these commands, we can do the operations. First, what we have learned. So how to copy file. For copying file, we use capital V and Y. For pasting, we use P. Then what we have learned, how to delete. For deleting two times DD, whenever we press two times, it will delete particular line where the cursor is available. Suppose you want to delete the only word. You want to delete, let me see, this am, you want to delete. For that, we have DW, the word only delete. Let's undo. DW, the only word. Suppose if you want to delete any particular word, we have a DW here. With the help of that, we delete that particular word only. Let's undo it. Then, as we already know, so how to save it? For saving, we press es escape, then colon, then W, Q, and hit enter for saving. Suppose you have done some modifications. Let me open once again. You have done some modifications here. Let me move to the insert mode. Yeah, you have done some modifications here, but you don't want to save it. You want to, without saving, you want to quit. For that, we have command call escape colon Q and exclamation mark, forcefully quitting, then enter. So it won't save anything here. We can see, yeah, you can see there is nothing here. So without saving, if you want to quit, there is a command called colon q and exclamatory mark, then enter. It will be exit from the VIM editor. Let's say, if colon NV, yeah, you want to suppose you want to see how many lines of code is available here. There is a command called escape colon NU, then enter number of lines. So I am living in Bangalore. The number is line is available in Bangalore is available here. We can see the which line cursor is available. If colon NU, hit enter. Yeah, fifth line. We have five lines here. It will showing the cursor is fifth line here. Yeah, till now what we have learned. So some basics commands and VIM editor we have completed today. So in VIM editor, what we are learned, let's recall once. So what is VIM editor? So it is a editor to edit files and read and write files. We use a VIM editor. Similarly, in Windows, we use Word and Notepad plus plus. Many editors are there. Like this, in Linux, we have a VIM editor, Nano editor. So here we are using VIM editor. So by default, whenever we open VIM editor, it will by default open the command mode. It has three modes: command mode, insert mode, and extended command mode. So whenever we open VIM editor, it will open into a command mode. Yeah, there we can do operations. Suppose we copy particular file. For that we use command Y. We paste. For that we use command P, and we will do some undo redo operations. And suppose we want to move to the line from last line to first line the cursor. For that we use two times GG to first line to last line capital G we use, and to delete files we use capital small dd two times. That sorry, that particular line will be deleted. Suppose you want to delete the word, there is a command called dw. We will do in the command mode. These are all things. Suppose you want to rewrite file or overwrite any file, we have to insert into the move to the insert mode. For that we have a key called I. Sorry. Then we have to come out and save that particular file, and we will quit. For that we have we have to press escape then colon, then for saving w and quitting q, and then in enter. So without saving we have to quit, escape colon q and exclamation mark, then hit enter. It will be come out. So now we will see the some basic commands which is very important. Yeah, before we see the commands, we will see the types of files available in Linux. ls hyphen l. Sorry, there is a typographical here. ls hyphen l. ls Linux. Yeah, we will see here. So types of files available in Linux. Whenever we see a starting, there is a D. It is a directory. It is called directory. Here, whenever we see D here, it is called directory. Whenever we see hyphen, it is a normal file. Like that, we have some more file, symbolic file is there. Whenever we see L there is a link file. Whenever we see link here, it will be link file. These are all files are available. We will see ls slash var slash log. ls slash var. Yeah, we will see here. These are the files available in var slash log directory. So you can see here D, which means it is a directory, and here also D is it is also a directory. It is a hyphen means it is a normal file here. Yeah. Suppose if you see instead of D here L, it will be link file. It will be link file. If you see S here, it is a socket file. If you see C here, it will be special file. If if you see instead of D or L, it will suppose if you see L here, it will be a link file, which is linked to one to another file, which is link file. If you see here C, it is a special file. If you see S here, it will be socket file. These are all the types of files are available in Linux. We will see the filters and input output redirection. Let me clear the screen. Yeah, hyphen etc passwd. Yeah, here is going to save the user information. In this location, it will save the user information. Yeah, here we are going to see, suppose you want to see any particular word is available or not. Suppose there are hundreds lines of code, yeah, lines of text. There you want to find the particular word is available or not. For that, we use command called grep slash etc slash swd. Yeah, let me log in. It's came out from the Linux machine. Let me log in. Background. That's it. It takes some time, 1 minute or half minute to log in. Yeah, now we are in the Linux machine. Let's we see the particular word is available or not in the this particular location. So for that we have a command called grep root /etc slash passwd. Yeah, we can see the root is available here. Here is one, two, three, four. Four places the root is available in this particular location, in this particular file. Suppose you want to see another word. Let's see the grep bin slash. We want to see bin attack word is available on slash etc slash passwd. Yeah, you can see the bin is word is available here. So where are the bin is available? It will be highlighted here. For finding the particular user or a password, it really helps. As a DevOps engineer, it will be helps to you to find any particular user is available or not, or to find any particular login is available or not. For that, we use grep command. Let me clear the screen. Linux is a case sensitive. Suppose, let me see previous command. Yeah, here is a root. There is a small letter. Small letter root is different and capital letter root is different. So Linux is a case sensitive. To overcome this, we use command call -i to overcome that. Grep 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 -i root /etc slash passwd. Yeah, let me give you capital letter R. We will see. Yeah, you can see the root is available. So there is a case sensitive. Suppose if you want to ignore that case sensitive, we have to give -i to ignore case sensitive. Let we will see. Suppose you want to see. Let cat -etc slash pass. Yeah, you want to see the first 10 or 5 lines of code. Suppose you there is a code which have more than thousands of lines of code. You want to the starting five lines of code. For that we have a command call less /etc slash passwd. Sorry, the typographical error. The moment it is come out from the Linux machine, let's move to login once again. Yeah, let me clear the screen. Yeah, what we have discussed. So suppose if you want to see the particular starting, there are thousands of lines code. You want to see the starting 5 lines of code. For that, we have a command called head slash etc slash pass wd, which is a location of file. We in this location we are going to see the 10 lines of code which is available. Yeah, here the starting 10 lines of code will be available. Suppose you want to see the last 10 lines of code. For that we use tail command. Tail slash etc slash pass wd, enter. So these are all the last 10 lines of code. Yeah, we will see the sed command. Suppose let me create a file ls cd into linux. No, we will create here only. To create a file, what command we use? Touch command, or else we can directly we can use vim editor than the file name k file. Yeah, here we are giving some text. Let me give the text here. AWS tech, then Docker tech, then Git tech, then we have Jenkins tech. Let's save it. Cat K file. Yeah, AWS tech, Docker tech, Git tech, Jenkins tech. You want to replace the tech word into a single another word. Suppose tech, you have to remove the tech in all these lines. You have to write a word called tools. For that, we have a command. With the help of single line command, we can replace. The command is called sed, comma, s slash t tech to to tools hyphen, yeah, like forward slash, then g quotes. Let's the file name a file. Yeah, here you can see AWS tools, Docker tools, Git tools, and Jenkins tools. What is the use case of it? Whenever suppose you have a hundred lines of code there, you want to change that particular word there. It is very hard to the change in hundreds of lines of code. There are 50 lines of which is available tech. It's very hard to change. For Windows, we search and replace it. For that, we have a sed command like that. Sed command is with the help of sed command, then the code quote, single quote, then s, then forward slash, then the particular word has to be changed, and the new word which has to be replaced, then forward slash, then g, then quote, then fine line. Then whenever we give a enter, it will be changed to this. Suppose we want to change into the tools, not tools, it will change into the DevOps. Let's hit enter. So you can see the it has changed to the AWS DevOps, Docker, Git, and Jenkins level. This like this we can change easily. Yeah, till now what we have learned. So in VI emitter, how to copy file, how to delete file, and we have some basic. We learned some basics commands in Linux. So filter and redirection. Suppose if we want to see the particular word, we use command called grep. And suppose if we want to see the the 10 lines of code, in the first 10 lines of code, we use head command. Suppose if we want to see last 10 lines of code, we use a tail command. Yeah, suppose we want to replace any word with that, so we use sed command. Yeah, we will see output redirection here. Suppose whenever we give a command cat is used to read the particular output in the but read the particular file data available in the file, etc slash passwd. We will get this output here. We don't want to see this output. We want to store into another file or anywhere. For that, we have a command called cat slash etc slash passwd less than then the file name, file out output file o. Hit enter. So there, whenever before we have given this cat slash etc slash password the command, we see this output. Now we are not seeing output. The output has been redirected to this location. Let's see this file is available or not. Now you can see the file is available. File o. Let's see the what information is available in file o. Yeah, they you can see the file o output here. So like this we can redirect. Till that you have any doubts, you can comment with me. I will explain your doubts. And also if you need notes, please let me know in comment need notes. I will send you notes also. No worry about that. So if you like this video, please do subscribe and share it with your friends, as well as connect with me on LinkedIn. And also if anyone wants to like to teach, they can connect with me. Not only DevOps is it IT related, any technology, if you try to teach or if you love to teach, you can connect with me. We can have the session. We will send that content also to our audience, our friends. Till then, thank you. Have a great day.